you have to close other accounts. It is like this: a person during his youth has opened many bank accounts, some of which he has forgotten. And the information from the banks will keep on coming that you have accumulated so much of interest and the charges which has to be paid. It may enter into some legal battle as well. So the only option for you is to pay off those accumulated monies, charges, then and only then the account, that particular account will be closed, and once that account is closed, then there will be no more botheration coming from that account. The relation with each individual is like a bank account, which once opened goes on accumulating many other charges and interests. Consciously, if you have closed that file, closed that relation, all the charges, all the interest will stop accumulating. And just as once the account is closed properly, not that you have left abandoned. Normally, we have entered into a relation, a problem comes in, we abandon it. We do not close it off with an understanding. You can do it on your own. Two people can separate with an awareness that we have met during the life's journey. Our togetherness was only up to this spot, and beyond this our ways and means have separated. You do not enter into any emotional relations when you enter into any. This is the beauty when you try to introspect. When an individual enters into a relationship with a prostitute, he knows it very well that this togetherness is for a moment, for a purpose, and there is no remorse, there is no feeling, there is no betrayal or anything, because you understand the role of this person. The person knows that here the people come on this stage for one purpose or the other, and their life goes on. When you close a particular relation, a particular account with an understanding, it will stop accumulating any more interest, any more charges, and the life will continue to move on. That account is closed, you are unburdened somewhat. And when all the accounts are closed, your consciousness will be totally free. This is the state of, and even thereafter you continue to live. This is what it comes in, that although all these things have vanished, that question, that when the equipment from, even if he is thus liberated from the equipments, why are these equipments not falling away dead? When the owner, the ego, has been liberated, the answer is that he continues to live because of accumulated actions. And even after closing all the account, life continues but at a different rate. The body is the product of our own karmas. One action leads to another unless it is performed with an awareness. One body is the product of our own actions, and it is also the product of the actions of the others. One can redeem one's own actions, but the body still lingers on, lives, the functions because of the totality of the actions or the actions of the others. This is macrocosmic impression, that is, or the tendencies, which is the outcome of the divine. Put it this way, you are the head of the department in your office, in charge. Many people are working under you. Although each individual is responsible for his own actions and understanding, but you as the head of that institution has the responsibility for the actions of all those people in there, because it is you who have to be answerable to your superiors. At that time, nobody, your superiors are not going to ask the individual workers whom the assignment was given why this work was not finished. You will have to answer. This is the totality of, or known as samashtika, the actions of the others accumulated. This is macrocosmic tendencies. And this is the equipment of God for you as the boss or the in charge of that particular department, maybe of planning, maybe of anything, because when the planning section does the work properly, the product comes out, only then it goes into the marketing.